Today we're checking out the Soundcore Select 2S Bluetooth speaker by Anker. I paid just over $30 for this one, but I'll leave a link in the description below with current pricing and more information. Inside the box you have a quick start guide, USB-C to USB-C charging cable. The speaker itself has a softer TPU, almost silicone-like material covering the top, sides, and on the back. You have a metal grill on the front. Definitely feels like better build quality than their older entry-level speakers that I tested years ago. It comes in 3 different colors, but the one shown here is black. It's got a silicone flap covering the charging port there on the side. You've got most of your buttons there on the top, including a bass up button. Pretty good size and easy to use. It's got 20 watts, up to 16 hours playtime, and is also IPX7 waterproof. Also has TWS pairing, so you can connect this to another Soundcore speaker. You can also use the Soundcore app to do firmware updates. You can also choose different EQ presets. You've also got custom settings as well. This speaker is actually louder than you would expect for the size. It has good clarity. I think the overall sound is pretty good for the price. The one downside to me, I do feel that it's lacking some bass though, even when you're using the bass up button. I think if you compare this to other Soundcore speakers that I've tested recently, this one definitely sounds more entry level. I think the Soundcore Select 4 Go speaker sounds better than this one, even though it's cheaper. It just has a little bass, a little fuller sound to me. And then of course the Motion 300 speaker by Soundcore is definitely a step up from this one, but of course it's more expensive as well. So for me, this would probably be my least favorite Soundcore speaker that I've tested so far, but I'm sure it's still going to be pretty popular, mainly because of the lower price. I think if you can go up to the Motion 300, I think most people will be pretty happy with that speaker over this one.